guys, welcome back to That Girl Diary. C9 here. So today's video is going to be what's in my makeup kit. I actually have two. The first one is more like my travel makeup kit, and then my second one is like where I store everything. Change of location, I am in my living room. Also, if you're new, thank you for tuning in. Welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notifications. I post every Wednesday. Every Wednesday. And for those who are returning, thank you for coming back. Hey. So, so this is my first kit. This is my my travel makeup when I want to condense everything. Let's see what's in here. So this is my favorite go-to eyeshadow palette. It's 24 Nudes by Maybelline. It has the earth tones, and you can really do a good smoky eye with this. Love it. This is ColourPop. See if you see that. It's like an orange looking matte shadow. I really like this because I like to do this as an undertone. This is my eyebrow kit. I'm not sure. I got this when I was in Atlanta at Greenbrier Mall from one of the kiosks. I got this. This is a, what do you call this? This is a blush. This is my favorite blush by MAC. I got this with a gift card. I don't really buy, no I don't. I don't buy MAC products. I just don't, because it's expensive. But when I get a gift card, I'll go. This is my concealer. I actually got this from the beauty supply store. This is also a MAC product, another gift card. This is a Prep Plus Prime. I really like this little stick. Let's see, this is my for my eyelashes, mascara. I forgot the name real quick. This is my mascara. This is from L'Oreal. I got this from the local drugstore. Another MAC product. This is one of the foundations that I've used. I've had this for a very long time, and it's probably embarrassing of how long I've had this. So I'm not even gonna say how long I've had this this foundation. Let's see. These three are from ColourPop. I actually got these as a gift. Y'all don't mind my nails. They need help. But these are, I think I'm missing one. But it comes in, it was like 4. And these are ColourPop. I really like these matte lipsticks. My favorite ones to use are these two together. I would take this one and put it like in the middle of my my lips, and then I would take the brown and do it on the outside. So I take this one. Sorry for the shaky camera. So I put it just like this. I don't know if you can actually see. Okay, there we go. So kind of creating like a ombre look. Press it down like that. And that's my everyday go-to lipstick. Okay, moving on. This is also a MAC. See, I told you I don't buy MAC like that, but apparently I have a lot of MAC stuff that I just haven't really thrown away. But this is a MAC lip liner. It says half red, but it comes up really pink. I'm not going to show you that because I actually need to sharpen this. So, these three babies are also MAC. This is a foundation brush, blending brush, and this is like angle. Not really an angle. I call it a concealer brush. Right here. Okay, so these three brushes, I just call this a blending brush. Well, it says concealer brush. Concealer brush. This is a powder brush and an angle blush brush. Let's try to say that fast. Blush brush. So lame. Okay, so these are e.l.f. You can get that from your local drugstore. Of course, I have a razor for my eyebrows. I don't actually get my eyebrows done. I just do it myself. This is a angle brush that I use for my concealer under my eyebrows. This is an eyelash and brow brush. Not sure where this came from. I think it was a gift. And this is also a gift. I'm not even sure what kind of brush this is, but I use it more like for a blending brush. And that completes my introducing. This is my makeup bag. This kit was from, I believe you can get this at Walmart, but it was a gift from my favorite cousin. She knows I love makeup. This is how you open it. It has a mirror at the top. Then it's three layers. So I had to improvise because this is just something I got from the dollar store just to hold this up. So the first section I use mostly for foundation and my brushes. I actually don't use this this foundation. I use this primer. It's a poreless face primer. It's pretty cool. I don't wear it a lot because it tends to make my skin a little oily towards the end of the day. And this is not my color, so I have to go back and try to find a different foundation that matches my color. So, second part is for lipsticks, and I don't know why that's right there, but yeah, it's mostly lipsticks. What else? Eyebrow pencil and eyeliner. Let's see. Also for contouring. This is, I don't really contour, but when I do, this is what I use. Clever girl. My third one is where I keep all of my eyeshadows. So the first eyeshadow that I showed you, it was by Maybelline. It's 24 Nudes. This is also by Maybelline, the Nudes. Matter of fact, I think this is like my favorite because this is where I create all of my smoky eyes from this palette. I have another Maybelline by this is Blush News by Maybelline. This is all your pinkish colors. I really like this, where I create most of my my natural looks from. More Color Pop. I like these. I can use it with my hands. I am a fan of gold. Oh, here's another Color Pop. I am a huge fan of gold. I have like 3 different golds. This is from H&M. The pigmentation on this is so awesome. So 1, 2, and then of course the gold from in here. I'm sure I have another gold somewhere. This is blush. I actually got this from the MAC store. This is like a highlight. It's liquid and it's actually, if you can see it, it's white and then it turns kind of goldish. I think that's pretty cool. I might do a little swatch in it. See how that's turning gold? And this is a sample from MAC. Love it. These are from MAC, my transition colors. One of my other favorite golds. I really like this color. This color is so awesome. I don't even know the color name. It's not focusing. This is cool. I actually got this for my birthday. It's glitter. It's gold. I told you I love gold. Different other eyeshadows that I got from the beauty supply store, NYX. Put that there. Another MAC. I actually didn't buy that. This is a blue. Didn't buy that one either. It gives, like these smaller ones, like these, I didn't buy. This is another black NYX. Blue. I'm trying to come out of my comfort zone with color because I'm usually just a natural person. I got this from Victoria's Secret. This is one of my other favorite palettes. Where did I get this from? I think this was a gift, but I use this a lot. And I've had it for a long time. Probably another embarrassing time limit, so I'm not even going to say how long I've had it. This is eyeliner I got from Dollar Tree. Literally $1. This I got from somebody. I want to say my mom. So this is an unnamed palette, but this is so cool. I still use it. Pigmentation is good. Includes what's in my box. Oh, blending brush. Other than that, that is it. That will complete what's in my makeup kit. Thank you all for tuning in to That Girl Diary. See you next time.